Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and you're watching Let's Go. So basically today's video is at how to make art file front cover. So yeah, without any further delay, let's get started. So step 1. Cover your E3 file with the help of a white chart paper from inside and outside both. It is important before doing any decoration we must cover it with white chart paper from inside and outside. You can see, for example, here I have covered. You can also make the cardboard file with the help of a waste cardboard present at your home. Now you can see my file from inside and outside, and now I am opening it from a behind to cover or decorate it well. So first step of decoration, here I have make a lines at the edges to make a border with the help of this handmade sheet. I am going to cut it out in 4 strips of this handmade sheet and going to make a border of it. So here I have cut the handmade sheet in 4 strips, and if you don't have handmade sheet, you can use any other chart to decorate it, no matters if you don't have handmade sheet. So as you can see, here I have made the lines and now I'm going to cut. Here are the cuttings. Now they are ready to paste. So I have pasted at the edges for the border, and now with the help of a glitter sheets I am going to write my art. So it is ready. So I am going to paste it in front of my file. So here's the result. Now here I have a butterfly sheets and stickers which I have pasted here and make a flowers with the help of a glitter sheet. Now I'm using glitter stick to make the file my board decorate. So I am making the small dots at the end of the tail of the butterfly. So where I have used the glitter, to cover it the flowers which I have earlier to make a beautiful flower with the help of a glitter sheet. So here the final result of a file is ready, and you can make it easily as I have made. It is super easy to make, guys. You should also try it. And I'm going to upload next video very soon and meet you in next video. Wait, before leaving this video, let me show how to make a pocket for inside. I am folding this small piece of white chart paper to paste it in a file from the edges so that it become a flexible to put the lot of E3 size sheets in it. You can see here it is ready, and I have this sheet, and just look, now I am going to paste it in my file. So this is my file. Now I'm going to paste it. As I'm pasting, just stick the glue at the edges of it and just wait. So it is time to paste the pocket inside. It's ready and it is looking so beautiful. If you make it, you definitely get back a beautiful result, guys. So here's my final result of my art file. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.